Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to use eye tracking on iPhone iOS 18. So the new eye tracking feature on iOS 18 is a cool feature that allows you to control your iPhone using your eyes, and all you just need to do is focus on your iPhone and then your eyes will be able to control your iPhone. So basically here I'm going to walk you through how to use eye tracking on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now under accessibility, scroll down and click on eye tracking. Here click on eye tracking. Then first you can adjust the smoothness 100%. Smooth tap pointer movement increase this value may decrease pointer responsiveness, so just set this to default. So in most cases I prefer to use this as 15% or 16 is not bad, and you can increase this at 100%. So go ahead and turn on eye tracking. Then you see what I say, follow the dot with your eyes as it moves on the screen. So just follow the dot as it moves on the screen with your eyes. So just keep focusing on the dot. So as it moves, you need to make sure you focus on the dot on the go. Otherwise, you're not able to use the eye tracking to control your iPhone. So just keep focusing on the dot. This might take a couple of seconds, but it is quite important to focus on the dot. If you take your eyes away from the eye tracking dot, then this is not going to work on your iPhone and you may need to repeat the process. Then once you see the check mark, that shows you've completed the eye tracking. Then there you go. Then is that you can start controlling your phone using your eye tracking. Then you can now start controlling your iPhone with your eyes. So just focus on anything like this, and then it's going to open it on your iPhone. You can just focus on it again, edit. So if you go back to any of the application page, just focus on any apps like this, and it's going to open it. So if you want to cancel, continue, focus on the page where you want to enable eye tracking. And once the eye tracking is enabled on your iPhone, you're going to see the eye tracking button here. This is the eye tracking button, this one. So that is basically how to use on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.